Okay, we're in Samarkand, which means we need to try some authentic Samarkand plov. Now check this out. Now, it looks like your regular, ordinary plov. You know, you've got your meat, you've got your rice, you've got your very yellow carrots. Now, what distinguishes the Samarkand plov from other plovs is that everything is made separately, right? So they cook the carrots separately, the rice separately, the meat separately, and then they put it all together, and then they create this gorgeous plov. Look at that giant spoon of plov we're gonna try. I was told that this is where all the locals come to get their plov because it is the best. They literally come in with their own plates and trays and utensils to come here. Look around. There are no tourists in sight, which is why I'm not even going to tell you the name of this place. Okay, I will. It's John Yosh. The taste is a little bit different from other plovs, which are more cooked together and mixed, right? They're mixed and given to you. The flavors are less blended together. You taste it in the rice, right? Like, the rice hasn't quite absorbed all the other flavors, but it's still fire. It's still good. By the way, if you like your plov extra fatty, extra greasy, you have to ask for that. Now, while I'm on cloud 9 with this plov, there's something you need to know about plov, which is that in Uzbekistan, any good, reputable place will stop serving it after lunch. Got it? So they might serve it until 2 or 3 p.m. and then that's it, because they're not going to eat it for dinner. Okay? Because it's so heavy. So if you see that a place is serving you plov after 3 p.m., stay away, stay away, red light, red light. Now, last thing I need to talk to you about, which is this beauty. Compot. What compot is they take water, they put fruit in it, probably add some sugar, they boil it up, the whole thing gets boiled for some time, then you let it cool a little bit, you stick it in the fridge, and then when it's ready, you just pull it out when it's fully cooled off, and it tastes oh so good. And here's why I bring it up. Honestly, when you're having a heavy meal here, like plov, for example, you don't really want to have compot with it or like one of those Cokes or Pepsis. You can, but it's kind of better to drink something warm because then the food's all going to digest really well, right? Because you're traveling in Central Asia, you want to have a good time. You don't want to have digestion issues, right? Boom, you don't. So you're going to have your delicious, amazing plov, which is now all mixed up. You're going to have your salad, you're going to have your tea, you can have your lipyoshka, you can even have this white drink, white yogurty drink, and then have your tasty cold soda later. You're welcome for the advice. I just made your trip to Central Asia way better. That's it. This is John Yosh. We're in Samarkand. There are no tourists here. It is amazing. Get your plov. Peace and love.